Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on your PS Portal. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this portal is just bogged down and not working properly, maybe it's not connecting and you've tried, just power cycling it and restarting it and stuff like that. A hard reset can fix a lot of these things. However, you're going to have to set everything up again because all data and settings and everything like that is going to be erased. And that's the second reason you might want to do that. If you're giving this away or selling it, or just whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it was new, we can do this really easily. All we need to do is access the Portal quick menu, not the game menu, so it's not the settings menu that's up here. We need to come up to the top right and swipe left to get to this quick menu here. And then from this quick menu here, we're just going to hit the settings button. Then from the settings button, we're going to go ahead and hit the system button. From the system button, we'll go to system software, reset options, reset. And that will clear everything off of your portal.